Every driver should have one of the best dash cams in their car. Such a small thing can protect you from big problems if the worst should happen. If you still need a New Year's resolution that won't be so easy to break, adding a dash cam to your car is a solid option, especially with all those dark winter nights still hanging around. Roads are dangerous, and you can't rely on other drivers to be doing everything right. The last thing you need is to be in an accident and have the other driver try to pin the blame on you. Having a camera recording everything means there's never any doubt about what happened. Plus, you'll have evidence of the lunatics you come across, which you can then share with your friends or the internet. Picking the right dashcam is tricky, and there are a lot of options to choose from. Thankfully, we've tested the best dashcams to help you find the ideal model. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top best dashcams and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. And as always, you can check pricing for any of these products in the description below. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Number 5. Nextbase 622GO. If you have money to burn, then the Nextbase 622GO has all the features you could ever want from a dashcam and more. The design certainly won't set the world on fire, but it has an unparalleled feature set that offers some of the best video quality of any dashcam currently on the market. The 622GO can record video in 4K/120fps, built-in image stabilization to ensure you have silky smooth recordings, an extreme weather mode, and a polarizing filter that will minimize reflections that would otherwise spoil your film. But on top of that, it also packs in Alexa voice controls, enhanced night vision, a parking mode that senses collisions when you're parked up, and an emergency SOS service that contacts first responders in the event that the driver is unable to do it themselves. What 3 words integration also ensures they know exactly where you are, down to a 3-meter area. The 622GO also connects to Nextbase's rear-view camera to see what's going on behind you. Though the fact that this camera costs so much and doesn't offer two-way recording by default may irk the more price-conscious among you. Number 4. Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. Don't be fooled by its size. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 packs an awfully powerful punch for something so tiny. It may not have features like a display or GPS, but it does produce great image quality and has voice controls in case you need the camera to do something mid-drive. Plus, like other recent Garmin dashcams, it can smarten up your car with features like forward collision warning, lane departure warnings, speed camera, and stoplight notifications and more. And there's the Garmin Vault, a cloud storage that automatically stores all your recordings in the cloud for safekeeping. But the biggest strength is its design. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is so dinky you probably won't even notice it on your windscreen, which means far fewer distractions when you drive. Number 3. Nextbase 522GO. While the Nextbase 622GO has it beaten on advanced features, there's no denying that the Nextbase 522GO offers an impressive practicality and function for a much more palatable price tag. It has fantastic image quality during the day, though night vision can be a little troublesome if there isn't much ambient light. The camera also features a 3-inch touchscreen for easy use, Alexa voice functionality, an emergency SOS mode, and a polarizing filter for better image quality when the sun is a little too bright for the camera to otherwise handle. Like other Nextbase models, there's a magnetic click-and-go mount, and the option to sync with various rear view and interior models Nextbase has on sale. Number 2. Garmin Dashcam 57. If you're looking for solid features at a less stomach-churning price, there's Garmin's Dashcam 57. The Garmin Dashcam 57 packs in all the usual dashcam features, as well as a few more that enhance your recording capabilities and smarten up your car in the process. If you don't have a newer car with driver assistance features, this is where the Garmin 57 shines. It packs in a number of safety features, including forward collision warnings, lane departure warnings, and alerts when you're coming up to stoplights and speed cameras. It'll also tell you when you're too absent-minded to notice traffic has started moving. The Garmin 57 also packs in a parking guard, a live view, and an automatic cloud backup that securely stores your recording in the cloud for safekeeping. Tie that in with voice controls, built-in GPS, and 1440p video resolution, and you should be able to record all the important details should the worst ever happen. Number 1. Nextbase 320XR Dashcam. Experienced dashcammers might mourn the lack of advanced features or 2K recording, but the Nextbase 320XR makes for a great, no-frills dual-camera solution that undercuts many rivals in its class. Image quality, while not perfect, is more than capable, and its compact, subtle design makes it adaptable for most vehicle needs. If you're after a reliable, affordable dual-camera system without the ostentatious box of tricks, and this one solidly fits the bill.